A new wave of artists is changing the rap music scene in the Arab world. Young women are shaking up West Asia with their rap music, challenging male domination with their socially aware lyrics. Our next story is about one such artist who has won the admiration of the world, especially online.
The rap scene in Morocco has always been dominated by men. But things have now begun to change.
The
voice of the voiceless is making waves in Morocco, and the country's rap scene is perhaps the most popular in the Arab world.
My name is Houd Zouf El Houd.
This is 24-year-old Houda Abouz. She studies film in Tetuan, has been fascinated with hip-hop music, and has been rapping ever since she was a teenage girl. She performed for the first time in January this year alongside three of the biggest male rap stars of Morocco, El Great Toto, Don Big and Dragonov. The video has been viewed on YouTube around 16 million times, breaking several records. In February, Abouz made her solo debut with a song called Kick Off, a song that tries to break gender stereotypes and hopes to shatter patriarchy. Abouz is a self-made artist, and she says she uses her passion for music as a defense mechanism in patriarchal Morocco.
I chose the term khitk, which means your sister, because of how the word has been used in our community or even in rap music. Your sister is considered an insult. If someone uses the word when talking to someone else, they might get into a fight. I chose it for two reasons. The first is so that it can grab the attention of the audience, and the second is so that I can try and break the stigma around the term. So now when someone says khitk, people would know it refers to me and not an insult.
She calls herself your sister and rallies for women's causes using her music. While the conservatives dislike what rappers sing, artists like Abouz create their own tracks to express their fury and dissatisfaction regarding unemployment, inequality and oppression. Her other songs, in collaboration with other artists, have gathered millions of views on YouTube and other social media platforms as well.
All women rappers have their own individual styles, but you can't say that there is a competition between us because women in this profession are very few. I wish that in time we could stop saying female movement and just call it a movement without differentiating between men and women. So as when we say rapper, we would mean a human being and not a gender. Because you may find a woman who has more potential than a man, but she's limited because of this categorization. So we shouldn't remain stuck under this labeling.
Abouz also describes herself as a feminist activist. She rallies for the cause of LGBT rights and has been strongly influenced by the pro-democracy protests in Morocco during the Arab Spring in 2011. However, she clarifies that her music is not serving any political agenda. In fact, she tries to unify communities by bridging together music from different parts of the world with Moroccan music. In recent months, Morocco's rap scene has faced some stiff opposition. Mohammed Munir, known as Navi, who is a well-known rapper from Morocco, was sentenced to jail for criticizing the country's police in a video. On the other hand, in the era of political awareness and protests, hip-hop music is thriving despite the crackdown in Morocco. Conservatives reject this music because of the language it uses, and the government tries to silence it, fearing criticism. Nevertheless, hip-hop in Morocco has indeed carved a niche for itself for the sake of both music and activism. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.